Welcome to Shenzhen Bakon Electronic Technology Company Limited. We are a high-tech manufacturing enterprise specializing in research and development, production and sales of electrostatic prevention and control, locking system, and soldering tool. We are committed to providing customers with high-quality products and excellent services. Shenzhen Bakon was established in 1998 and has hundreds of professional employees. We have advanced production technology and equipment. We are continuously invest in research and development so that Bakon's products are always in the leading position in the industry. We are committed to research and development, production and sales of rework soldering tools, brushless electric screwdriver, intelligent electric screwdrivers, and ESD control products. Our main products include soldering and desoldering station series, ionizer blower series, brushless electric screwdriver series, etc. These products are widely used in electronic maintenance, industrial production, scientific research laboratories, precision instrument manufacturing, and other fields, providing efficiency and convenience for life and production. We adhere to quality as the core and are committed to providing high-quality products that meet customer needs. Our manufacturing process is rigorous. We strictly control every step from raw material procurement to production and finished product inspection. We have advanced and complete production equipment, skilled technical personnel, making our products of high quality and efficient production. Through information management, we can quickly respond to customer needs and ensure on-time delivery of products. The products we independently develop and produce have obtained various patents and serve many customers around the world, including Huawei, Xiaomi, Toshiba, Samsung, Gree, and other well-known domestic and foreign companies. When they choose our products, they pay more attention to the quality and service we focus on. We continuously strive to improve the quality of our products and services, continue to provide customers with high quality and advanced production tools, and create higher market value and efficiency. Successful cases prove that no matter what your needs are, Bakon can provide you with satisfactory solutions. Shenzhen Bakon looks forward to cooperating with you.